What's up, YouTube? So I'm just going to do a quick video comparing the specs on my upgraded 72V Surron and my Velimotor VMX12. So let's do it. So let's just go one by one. So both the bikes have a 3,000 watt motor, 6,000 watt peak. I believe this one's actually 12,000 watt peak. Yeah, this is a 6,000 watt peak, this one's 12,000 watt peak, but they're both 3,000 nominal, I think. This one I have the Chai 72 volt 51 amp hour battery, and this has a 15 kilowatt tune, or 15,000 watt tune. This has a 80 volt 40 amp hour battery, and it's standard with a 12k tune, so 12,000 watt tune. Top speed at this one is 68 miles an hour with the 58 tooth sprocket. This one will top out between 80 and 85 miles an hour. One, because it's 80 volts. This is 72 volts, so this has got 8 more volts. So volts are related to RPMs. You know, the faster your RPMs, the faster your motor can spin, the faster it can spin the wheel, the faster the bike will go. And this has a 4-speed gearbox. So where this is limited to the top speed you can get out of a 58 tooth sprocket, you can stick this one in 4th gear, and there has a higher speed gear ratio, so you can go a higher speed. So this one has a 10 amp charger. This one has a 15 amp charger. This takes 3 or 4 hours to charge. This will take about 2 hours to charge. The rear suspension on this one, you can tell, is much beefier than the rear suspension on the Surron. You see, the forks are also beefier. There's no brand on these, so I don't even know what these are. These are KKE, I believe, front and rear. And these are not branded, so I don't know what the hell they are, but they feel really good. The suspension on the VMX12 feels better than the suspension on here. Now you can see you got these small rotors. I'm not sure what the millimeters are, but it's got a 4-piston mountain bike type brake. The Velimotor has these big old thick rotors and these real dirt bike sort of Brembo knockoff brakes. Dual caliber, but they're big, beefy, and these things bite. Really, really good brakes on these compared to the Surron. There's a rear foot brake on here for, what's this thing? Yeah, there's just screw right here. I don't know what the hell that is. But anyways, it's got the foot brake for the rear, and then just your standard brake for the front here. Since this has a 4-speed gearbox, it has a clutch. On the Surron, this is the rear brake, this is the front brake. Oh, on the suspension, they're both fully adjustable, preload, dampening, front and rear, same level of adjustment. The controller here, I have the Bach 4000 from Greenlight Engineering, and I don't know right off the back what the controller this one has, but I'll put it in the, I'll flash it in the screen right now. The VMX12 comes with a 21-inch wheel in the front, 18 in the back. Surron comes with 19-inch wheels front and back. So you can tell the spokes are a little bit beefier, a bigger rim. These come powder coated black, which I think looks nice. Big old giant off-road tire in the back here, giant knobbies. I'll probably change this eventually to the same Shinko 241s, but I'm not sure because I'm getting another bike. This bike's actually going and trading it for some cash, plus a Talaria XXX, which I'll probably upgrade to 72 volt. But I'll have that for street, keep this one for road. Keep this one for off-road. Let's see the range. The range on this mixed riding at the 15 kilowatt tune is exactly 50 miles for me. So if you turn that down, you can tune this however you want. So if you turn that down to, 6,000 or whatever, you could probably get 60 miles out of it maybe. This one here in sport mode, you're getting 30 miles, which is still pretty decent. And then I'm going to say about 50 miles in eco mode because there's such a huge power difference between eco and sport mode. This one's, it's a little more flashy because I have things powder coated and I got the red on there, but this one is a little bit more ambiguous. People aren't going to know exactly what it is. This probably sticks out a little bit more, probably draws more attention. Maybe cops might look at it a little closer than this one because it looks more like a traditional dirt bike, even though it is small, like kind of a pit bike style or size. I lowered the pegs and got these riser bars and got this lift here. And then for this one, I just got the Pro Tapers. I think they're 4 inches, so these actually feel really good. So they both feel really good standing up. As far as off-road, they feel good. The suspension on this feels better, and this battery rattles around and stuff, but it might not with the stock, I don't know. This one feels solid, there's no rattling or anything. The Surron has like a keyed ignition here to turn on. This one has a key fob and a button, and it makes a loud ass noise. There's a speaker in there, still haven't cut the wire for that speaker, but I'm going to because it's pretty annoying. You can tell I painted this just with some plastic paint, all-purpose paint. I think it looks way better than the graphics it had on there before. And this, I had the wheels, the controller heatsink, and the skid plate powder coated, we coated, and then I just added the colorful parts. This headlight sucks. It pretty much like just hits this fender, so it kind of blocks a lot of it, and what does make it out is crap. It's terrible. So I'm probably going to take this out and put something like this on there, just like I have a light bar right here, and not even have this on here at all. I think that look actually pretty cool. Similar to this, it has the brackets up here. They're a little farther apart, you can see, than here, so I'll definitely have to get some spacers or something, or try to figure it out how to mount these, but it won't be an issue. I don't think. I'll figure it out. The frame on the Surron, the overall build quality on the Surron is better. The welds are nicer. I think this is an aluminum frame, whereas this one is a steel tube. And I mean, the welds, they're thorough, but they're not very pretty. I don't know much about welding, but those of you do, you probably won't like these. But I mean, they do the job. It feels pretty solid. Oh, the seat is really comfortable on this too. So the seat that the VMX12 comes with is way better than the stock seat. I think it's even better than this upgraded comfort seat from Unicycles. The VMX12 has a 520 chain, and the Surron has a 420 chain. So a little bit more a beefier chain on the VMX12 than the upgraded Surron, or just their standard Surron. Comes with the 420. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. This bike will be gone next week, so that's why I'm doing a comparison. I'll probably do another comparison between this and the Talaria XXX stock, and then I'm thinking about getting the Chai battery and the upgrade controller for the XXX to make it faster, but I'm not sure yet. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions, like, subscribe, check out my store, link in the description, all that. See you next time.